He wasn't a king. He wasn't born into wealth. Yet today, an entire nation remembers him as one of its greatest heroes. Have you ever wondered why this man was chosen to appear on the Dominican Republic's 20 Pesos Oro banknote? This is the incredible story of Gregorio Luperón, a man who refused to let his country lose its freedom. Born in 1839, Gregorio Luperón was the courageous and greatest military hero who helped restore the Dominican Republic's independence. He was the youngest military leader of the Restoration War, which lasted from 1863 to 1865, which restored Dominican independence after Spain re-annexed the country. His military strategies relied heavily on local geography with the help of guerrilla warfare tactics rather than large armies. He became the president of the Dominican Republic from 1879 to 1880. He passed away in 1897 after a life he dedicated to democracy, national sovereignty, and liberal reforms. His final hometown residence in Puerto, Plata has also been beautifully restored as a museum with exhibits on his life and works. Today, schools, streets, monuments, and even an international airport bear his name. His bravery, patriotism, and unwavering commitment to freedom made him one of the nation's greatest and founding heroes, earning him a lasting place on the 20 Pesos Oro banknote. Coat of arms, which has a shield in similarly quartered colors as the flag, supported by a bay laurel branch on the left and a palm leaf on the right. Above the shield, a blue ribbon displays the national motto, God, Homeland, Liberty. The banknote is issued by Banco Central de la República Dominicana, located in the capital of the country, Santo Domingo. The 20 Pesos Oro of Dominican Republic, introduced in 2010, is predominantly brown and orange in color, on a multicolor underprint with a Guardian polymer as the base substrate. The reverse depicts the National Pantheon in the capital city of Santo Domingo of the Dominican Republic. This building was originally built in the 18th century as a Jesuit church. Then, it was converted into the National Pantheon in 1956. The place serves as the resting place of many of the Dominican Republic's greatest heroes. This includes our hero Gregorio Luperón. The place also houses an eternal flame that symbolizes everlasting respect for those who shaped the nation. The security features of this banknote includes transparent polymer window, raised printing for tactile recognition, see-through registration feature, UV fluorescent security elements, microprinting, simulated security thread, watermark-style transparent feature incorporating an equestrian image of Gregorio Luperón in the polymer design. Mahogany flowers at center on both the front and back become a special see-through window for this banknote. It was the Dominican Republic's first circulating polymer banknote. It placed the country alongside nations such as Australia, Mexico, Costa Rica, and Chile in adopting polymer technology. The denomination of 20 pesos was chosen because low-value banknotes wear out quickly in daily circulation, making polymer especially cost-effective. This video is sponsored by onearcher.com. If you want to start your own collection of cool banknotes and coins from around the globe, check out onearcher.com. That's where banknote and coin collectors find awesome banknotes and informative books on banknotes from all across the world. So that's the story of 20 Pesos Oro of Dominican Republic banknote and the hero General Gregorio Luperón. Which country's money should we explore next? Drop your guess in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more money adventures.